Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clone yourself in Minecraft 1.20 or 1.20.1. As you can see, there is a bunch of clones of me. They're all wearing armor and carrying shields and weapons and all sorts of cool stuff over there. There's even one flying over there with a netherite chest plate. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get these specific clones if you're making YouTube videos, thumbnails, whatever. You could be using a clone for it. They are only client-side, which means other people will not be able to see them if you're on a server. Just sort of for testing purposes here. I'm just going to really quickly go ahead and set my FOV back to Quake Pro so I can actually see. So what this is it's a feature of the Meteor 1.20 hacked client, which allows you to create fake players. So what we've got here, if we press the right shift button after getting the Meteor client, under the player hacks, we're going to have a hack here called Fake Player, which spawns a client-side fake player for testing usages. No need to be active. If we go ahead and right-click on this here, it's going to show us a list of all of the clones that we've made. And it's going to give us some options. So we can name the clones, whatever we want. This is the naming box, so you can call the player whatever you want at all. You can alter their health anywhere from 20 to 100. I just tend to leave it on 20. And this box here will copy the inventory, which means any armor or items that are in their inventory will be cloned onto the clones that you're going to make. You can also come down here, and there's an active button. I don't think that does anything. Anyway, how do you spawn one in? So once you've got this menu open, you just click the spawn button, and as you can see right here, we hit escape twice, and it's going to clone us right over here with whatever we're wearing, whatever is in our inventory. If we were to go and pick up a piece of red sand and hold it in our inventory, we could then go over here to fake player and go spawn in another one, and it would be holding red sand. So that's how you're able to get all of this armor and shields and swords and such being held by all of these clones. If you want them to go away, it's not going to do much good trying to blow them up or kill them. For some reason they don't really have like a hitbox or anything, so if you were to try and explode them with a bunch of TNT, all that's going to happen is it's going to look like they're flying. They don't take any damage, and you can hit them as much as you want. They're not going to die or really take any damage at all. If you want them to go away, you simply hit the right shift button, right click on the fake players button here, and there's a button next to spawn which says clear all. If we go ahead and hit that, it's going to vanish all of the clones that we've made, and they will all disappear. Anyway, that's how you clone yourself in Minecraft 1.20 using the Meteor hacked client. Thanks for watching, and have an excellent day. Goodbye.